Ke Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3, kalayakan du mau siang batsuki nakadaw, mampat yo iaka jaka nakahima mau plang banshna iaka jaka pom Umentri PHE Marcus and Marak, habakran bat kinong tho kubor hakakatsao tarik rempang, ula ong ba kajingakran kadang yad, bat nakalyang kasor karu terwa, da kajingtrey yaki arpongut hapo katanat PHE, bat lapha yakashiti syakahima, ban penpoy yaki kerteng, henry hadu menta umpat yo yakano kano kajingtip nakahima mau plang. Ula ong ba nakabenta ka pumping station, katanat PHE kadankam hadu lai hektar ka jaka, banbu yaki kor pam bantan yaka nawa sya treatment plan, kumta ngidon kam yaka hima mau plang ban yaka jaka ban penya chakmat yaka project. Kiwe pat kijing kide ban pun yaki pipe bat kani kala penlong yaka project ban slam. Umentri ula ong ba kila persangkat bala nadu ki engineer badia keren bat ki badan benta hak skim ban yo pendap kloy.
The work is still ongoing. There are some issues still pending, needs to be resolved. Some of the problems, as I have already talked to you before, some of the issues have already been resolved, like some clearance needs to be done from PWD department that we receive from the PWD department, and from forest also, and from cantonment board also. But then still some of the problems which is lying with the Himama plant, it's still there. So we are still on the process of negotiations. So hope we will get it done soon. One of contention in the sense, they have several issues. They need some employment. So government has agreed, cabinet has already passed this, and then chief engineer has already issued a letter there for the cabinet discussion. And we are just awaiting their applications now. They have to submit the list of candidates whom they want to give government jobs. So department is ready. So once we receive, we will give the appointments. Yes, we have gone for the revised estimate. I'm not remembering the exact amount, but I have done the revision during my tenure. So it is already revised, that is true. It's almost, it started from 2008. So it's quite a long time.
So what is the reason from?
So many reasons I have told you, that number one is Himama issues. They need to provide a lane for the second pumping set. The second pumping set will push the water to treatment plant. So that space which we need, Himama plant has to give that. No, there were several issues. Not only that issue with Himama plant, there were issues with PWD. There are several crossings in the PWD roads. For that matter, we need to get the clearance from the PWD department. Now we got that.
But these are not new.
So
why it took long time?
See, every time we started negotiations with different stakeholders, different new issues come up, and which is why it's delaying. Till now also. Almost all the zones, there are I think 12 or 10 zones. So those zones have started, some of the zones have completed, some are ongoing. Because of the delaying of the work, they have requested for the last time revised estimates, which we have agreed. And then now some of the works are completed. Only the pumping set has to be installed, and then once it is installed, it will be completed. 2-3 hectares, not much. I am also trying my level base, our engineers are trying level base, but they keep on increasing the demands. So what can we do? We don't have any options. So land is with them. We don't have any options, but we are still negotiating. And then for that matter, government has already agreed. Cabinet has already passed in the cabinet meeting, and then we have sent the letters to them to submit. Till now, they have not submitted. It's been, I think, how many? 3-4 months. Not mistaken, around 20 plus, I think. 20 plus people are going to give.
These appointments will be made under the PHE department itself?
Yes, under PHE department, based on the...
Like permanent?